afternoon, everyone.
Hello.
I took Mr. Martin shopping with me to Glasshouse Fragrances. So I think we've got, basically half of our Christmas shopping done there.
We have got half a glass done.
Okay. So anyway, when you go to the Glasshouse Fragrance factory outlet, which is located at Rydalmere, north of Parramatta River, you'd better be ready.
And if you've got sensitive schnoz like me,
Yeah.
you're going to get overwhelmed.
Yeah. But look, it's always a delight there. It's almost, quintessentially Aussie now. I mean, I know the founder's American, but as gifts to give to people overseas, it's made in Australia. Well, most of them, until I found out one wasn't. Look, I think it's great. So they did tell me that don't come on a Saturday because it's just a madhouse.
It's total chaos.
Yeah, but I think we should start the perfume pencils. So this is the 2025, really the Christmas stuff that they have. So they have two pencils. I think you need to open one. So I went a bit crazy and went back twice just to get more perfume pencils. And these are actually made in Italy.
And they're childproof.
Which is good for you. So they've got two perfume pencils. One's Kyoto in Bloom and one is Midnight in Milan. Both are best-selling fragrances by them. But look, as a Christmas present, what I do like about is their improvements in terms of artistic. There you go. Do you want to check it out?
I'm going to.
Okay.
I'm showing the good people.
Okay. Can you just flip over the back so they can see it is made in Italy? Oopsie daisy. So as you can see where it says S, it has been discounted. So Kyoto in Bloom has got the top notes of camellia and lotus, while Midnight in Milan has got saffron and rose. And what I love about this is, would you like to try them on?
No, I'll pop them, but I ain't stinking them.
Okay. Yeah, Mr. Martin's nose just had a bit of a turn when we went through Glasshouse Fragrances. So this one's the... flip it over a bit. Kyoto in Bloom. So this is camellia and lotus. So this is what it looks like. Oh wow, it looks like a lipstick. So basically you just place it on your pulse points instead of using perfume. And this is ideal for summer just because the alcohol wouldn't fade so much.
Yeah. Cracking. So when you're going down the beach and you
if you want a bit of perfume.
whip on a bit of perfums.
Well, I love it. That's why I got it. So yes.
Yeah, it's not going to go with me and my budgie smugglers, but anyway.
Yeah, I don't think it will go there. So I love them. So that's why I got 4 of them. So they make great presents.
Yes.
Yeah, and Mr. Martin, your thumb needs to be checked by the doctor. Yes, and obviously you can hang this on your Christmas tree. They've got a handy little
dangly bit
there. And look, as I said, what I love is the artistry there. So I think Glasshouse Fragrances, the better they are every year. They are focusing more on the art side now, and really I am getting very impressed by what they have each year. They don't have the advent calendar anymore.
No, it's sold out.
Yeah, but I'm not surprised by that. I've been but passed by of their advent calendar.
Yes,
okay,
you've literally got to get.
Yes. Okay, so what shall we do next? Maybe this one?
The little candle.
Yeah, the Peter Alexander Christmas pudding, nutmeg and maple sugar. So again, as I said, it's leading up to the season. So I just love the artistry here. See, there we go, turn around. And I know their market is overseas as well. That's why they've got, the winter aspects of that. So can you open it?
Yeah,
yes.
I'm trying to get out without damaging the box.
Okay. Yeah, because it's a Christmas present. It is strong. It is very strong.
Yeah, this is the little doodle.
Yeah, look, unlike the others, they don't have any decorations on it. So, So, okay, smell it and tell me.
It's strong. Jeez, it's strong.
It is very strong.
Oh!
Strong cinnamon, I think. Strong cinnamon and coconut.
Cinnamon, yeah, I would, cinnamon, coconut and like body butter.
It says nutmeg and maple sugar. So this is what the back says. I created for you a guilt-free fragrance sticky date Christmas pudding.
Well, there you are.
Well, there we go. So
I was going slightly more the coconut butter or slap you all over.
Look, I've seen the collaborations with Peter Alexander and Glasshouse Fragrances, so I think it's nice to see. So this will make a nice present for someone we know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's go for the next one. Now, what caught my eye for this is just the design of the glass, and look, the packaging is so well done. It's just beautiful. So it's called Country Couture, and it's cashmere and nectarine. I mean, you tasted you smelt the nectarine,
yeah.
but not the cashmere. I don't know why, and we can't really
Yeah, I don't
smell
know.
cashmere.
It doesn't smell animal-y, does it?
Yeah, no, it doesn't. It doesn't smell of goat. But look, it is related a bit to the perfume
Oh,
pencil.
you were in my hand. Sorry.
The perfume pencil, in the sense that I think it's the same design in that sense. Like if you have a look at it that way, turn it that way. So you've got
matches. Look, it matches.
Yeah, it does match. So
matches.
there we go. I mean, there's a butterfly there. There was a caterpillar there. I think it was a caterpillar. This is a snail. If you remove that one, is that a caterpillar? It is a caterpillar. There, the one on the right here. And if you just turn it, turn it that way, see more detail. So I think it's very well done.
What? Oh, you're hand signaling me to do something.
Turn it to the back. And
Is that what that means?
Yes, it is. So that's the details on the back of that box.
Use your words.
I'm trying to talk to my audience. Here you go. All right, Mr. Martin's going to unbox it because I do like it.
You should see the hand signal for unboxing it.
You want to do it? Okay, that's gorgeous. Like, it's just, as I said, half of it is really, see, look, you've got the, oh, look, there's the caterpillar and there's the
bit.
Yeah, that other bit. Yeah.
And then there's this bit.
Yeah, there's the other bit. Oh, there we go. So it's a nice flap. Okay, do you want to unbox it? Because I think, I was a bit undecided about getting this one over to the other one, but I thought I should get this. And this is what makes it such a treat. So this would be another present if you have it lying down. There we go. So there we go. So it mimics what's on the okay,
cover. That is the turn hand signal.
Yes, turn hand signal. Keep on going.
Slowly turn hand signal.
Lilies.
Okay, we'll just go around like this.
Okay, we'll just keep on going. Oh my gosh.
Oh no, there's been a fall.
Well, do you want to smell it?
No, I'm good.
It's very nice. Yeah, very nice.
It's definitely not.
Okay, all right, so this will be a nice present because look at the jar. It's just gorgeous.
It's just like a jar.
Oh, very funny. So that's our present for someone.
Yeah.
So the cashmere nectarine.
Look at somebody's going to have a cashmere goat.
Oh, very funny. Okay, I bought this perfume the night before Christmas because I think this is probably their best.
Yep, and it'll go all through the house.
Yeah, so it's the Dancing Sugar Plums, and it's a fragrance diffuser. I usually do not do fragrance diffusers, but as I said, the artistry here is beautiful. So you've got the cat there, the Santa.
Is there a mouse? There's got to be a mouse. Look, it says the thing.
The stork. Well, there we go. There you go. And is that yeah, okay. All right. Well, there we go.
That's the back.
Keep on going. There's the bag. So an artist behind this, and I read it somewhere. I think they have a nickname, so they don't really
use their real name.
Yes, that's it. Okay. So look, it's actually quite good that Glasshouse Fragrances are hiring all these innovative artists to do their packaging this year.
So we're going to do it bit by bit.
We are going to do it bit by bit.
On that case, then have a stick.
Yeah. So fragrance diffuser, you've got the reeds there. I think we need to get better reeds, don't we?
The stick bits?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, really? I gotta dig down.
Yes, well, that's the whole point of a fragrance diffuser. So I think this is for us. Don't you think? I think this will be for us.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, don't whinge. Mr. Martin always whinges, doesn't he?
Okay, whatever.
Wow, that's pretty. Yeah.
Hang on,
So,
I'm getting attacked by Big Red.
okay, if you have it down. Okay.
It's very Christmassy.
Turn it down.
If you want to volunteer, you can help Mrs. Martin do some...
All right. That's it. So that's the fragrance diffuser. And I just love the smell. It will be... You need a big room for it because it will...
Stink.
Don't say stink.
It will make it the night before Christmas, all right.
Yeah, very funny.
You'll end up stoned.
Oh. So really, this is the best item that we got.
The biggie one.
The biggie. It's called Enchanted Garden, Climbing and Rambling Roses. It's a soy candle with the care kit. We are attending somebody's...
We're having an event.
Yeah, so this is for them. What do you get somebody who has everything and all that stuff? So you get something that's usable and...
Bunnings gift card.
Yes, well, that would be you, Mr. Martin. But here it is. Do you want to do the unboxing?
A personalised Bunnings gift card.
Hey, look, what if they don't
$100.
have the time? So there we go. So
For $100.
okay, here we go.
150. And you can put a picture on it.
Oh, very funny.
Like a... Excuse me.
Yeah, stop doing that. So I love, again, the packaging. But look how gorgeous this is. See? So what they actually have is the scissors to cut the wick off that.
That stinks.
Thank you. All right. So do you want to turn around the glass jar? We don't have to take it out of the box. Just if you can swivel it.
No,
you have to take it off.
I'll tell you what. Let's...
Yeah, well, don't break it. It's somebody's present.
No, it can't come out.
Okay.
Not without giving a good Yankee.
All right, we'll just leave it as is. So if you could close it again, and then we'll look at the back. If they have any. I know, it's very fancy.
It is. It's like
Well, it is somebody's nice little present from us. Okay, turn it around. Oh, gosh, this is a nice smell. So this is what they have. The wick trimmer, the candle snuffer, and the velvet. Maybe I should get one just for you, Mr. Martin.
I tell you what, if you're going to give me a candle sniffer.
Very funny. Okay, let's flip it again. Flip it again. I might get it. Upside down. Come on.
Upside down, Miss Jane.
Right side up. Okay, so there we go. Do you want to start putting all the stash that we got from Glasshouse Fragrances? So this is the Enchanted Garden.
So this is called the stash.
The stash. My budget has been blown again at Glasshouse Fragrances. Oops.
Yeah.
The Country Couture.
Oh, excuse the hair.
The Peter Alexander Christmas pudding.
The little pens.
Look, those pencils I think are so useful. I love them.
Like
It's made in Italy, not in Australia, which was a bit weird. So there you go. So if you want to go to Glasshouse Fragrances factory outlet at Rydalmere, this is what you may be able to get. It wasn't too busy today.
It was good. The only thing is, though, it overwhelms your nose quickly.
Yeah, you might need to wear a mask because I started sneezing when I entered.
It just is very...
If you have a very sensitive nose. I like that. Look, she's got a guitar lolly. Oh, sorry, a cello lolly. A bass lolly.
That would make it a cholly.
Cholly.
Off your cholly.
All right, here we go. Glasshouse Fragrances. Bye.
Bye.